What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Lil Clay Clay. So it's the next day at the beach and these guys are awake. Well, in the series, I don't know about Gabe. Yeah, Gabe's still sleeping. This guy's awake. He's like me, when he wakes up, he wakes up. So I'm going to come put my glasses on. See, maybe my parents want me to have a go at making the omelets today. But yeah, if you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clay Clay and I have high-functioning autism. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this YouTube video. It was a pretty good day. I ended up obviously not buying something from the store, like I said, just because everything was, like I said, super duper expensive. But I think that's not gonna, I think I definitely made the right choice. And that's not the only time we're gonna go shopping. We are probably gonna, sorry, bit of the hiccups there. But anyway, guys, we are gonna go shopping again at some point during our time here, and we're also gonna go to Southport. I'm hoping we can go to the Christmas tree shop again. That's something I really want to try. Like where we went last year, when the last time we were here. So that's gonna be fun. And I know tomorrow we're probably gonna get to go to the beach. The reason we didn't go to the beach today is because it was too cold and a bit rainy. And I think we're also gonna possibly go tomorrow later on at that night to go looking for sand crabs. My brothers wanted to do that today as well, but obviously we couldn't because, like I said, it was too cold. But I think tomorrow is supposed to be sunny and beautiful, so hopefully we'll get some time at the beach. Obviously I'm not going to film because I don't want to, since we're hanging out at the beach, because I don't want to mess up my camera. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.